Troy, we're looking at an almost unbelievable amount of damage just everywhere around me. You can see trees just completely snapped. It's going to be hard to tell with the sun setting, but right now we are in a mobile home and RV community in Conroe along FM 1485. And you can see some of their stuff here just completely flipped over. We spoke to a man who lived here, he said, for more than 20 years, and he only had a few minutes to get to safety when that tornado warning came out. Take a listen.
Right when the wind started picking up, I said, okay, we all need to get underneath the porch. Before I could get the word porch out of my mouth, we were all on the ground. And it just went, KHOU. I've never seen wind like that before. And I knew, of course, at that moment, I knew it was a tornado. But there was no stopping anything. It was just instantly, everything was gone.
You can see more down trees right here, just everywhere. Some of these homes look like they had bombs just dropped right on top of them. Where we are standing, we are also next to a local firehouse and also a church. They also sustained some damage, but everyone in this area seems to be okay. They told me they are grateful that they made it through, though they understand their homes, some of their businesses are just completely lost out here. So a lot of cleanup that has to happen, but right now I think people are just pretty shocked that they lived through this. Back to you.